Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks, where we dive into the fascinating world of technology, innovation, and occasionally a bit of chaos. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting project called Discord Messenger, a messenger application designed specifically to be compatible with Discord. Sounds exciting, right? So let's set the stage. Imagine you're someone who refuses to let go of your Windows 2000, holding on to nostalgia while the world rushes ahead. You want to message your friends on Discord, but the official app just won't cut it. What do? Enter Discord Messenger, which aims to bridge that gap while being backwards compatible all the way to the good old Windows 2000. Now, before we get too deep, let's talk about the pros and cons of using third-party clients. There's a disclaimer that's crucial here. Using third-party clients is against Discord's terms of service. Now, the risk of getting banned is low, but it's still there, so if you value your account, tread lightly. The author of Discord Messenger is not responsible for any repercussions, just a friendly reminder. So what are some of the features that Discord Messenger offers? Well, it allows users to view and interact with servers, send direct messages, upload attachments, and even edit messages. Oh, and if you're someone who loves seeing profile pictures, you're in luck. There's that too. But hold your horses. It's still in beta, which means you might encounter a few hiccups along the way. Moving on, let's take a moment to appreciate the technical aspects. For those of you interested in building this application, you'll need to decide between using Visual Studio or MinGW. It sounds simple, right? But if you're going the Visual Studio route, it only supports down to Windows XP SP2, so that's something to consider. If you're a bit more adventurous, the MinGW option will allow you to compile the application for older operating systems, although it's not for the faint-hearted. Now here's an interesting thought. Have you ever struggled to figure out which libraries to use when building something from scratch? Discord Messenger relies on several external libraries like JSON for modern C++, Boost, and more. It's fascinating to see how the tech community builds on each other's work. All right. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what's planned for the future. The developers have laid out a roadmap that includes features like dark mode and the ability to view your friends list. But some features like logging in with a QR code or entering voice channels are still just ideas swirling in the query pool of future updates. It's all part of the growth process. So what do you think? Is using a third-party client worth the risk, especially for an app designed to breathe life into old operating systems? Will we see more projects like this in the future that cater to a niche but dedicated group of users? Thank you for joining me today on Tech Talks. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us on social media. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the tech landscape.